see how it does for stabilization. Also, we'll see what it's like with the internal mic driving down the road. It's mounted on my dashboard at the moment, mounted in an air vent actually, with a clip, which I'll take a picture of, but we'll see how this comes across. Can't go as fast as normal here actually. It is a 60 road, but they're doing some road works on it, resurfacing the road even. Big ramp coming up. So right down for that. Right, I think the surface is smooth, guys, so we'll go a bit faster. Best car I've had, this one. It's really powerful for a diesel 2.2, I think 160 bhp, but as per most diesels, because they have a turbo, it's nice and torquey, so it pulls really well. We still get pretty good fuel economy, about 40 to 60 mpg. Generally I'm around the 40s because I drive fast as If I had a nice sounding engine or exhaust, it'd be even better, but well, it is what it is. But we'll see what it's like going from dark to light and vice versa with the Osmo Pocket. Load of old Porsches here, if you can see, guys, on the right. Scrapyard. Probably if you added all those cars up, actually, there's millions there when they were new. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, guys. I think the camera on this Osmo Pocket is amazing though. It's one of the best cameras I've ever had. And yeah, let me know what you think of the footage. It's 4K 60.